Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 9 assignment of the course blockchain and its applications. Guys, these are completely our probable solutions. If there are any changes that come to our notice, definitely we will update that in the comment section. And you can also suggest your own solutions, guys. So please watch the video till the end. If I make any changes, you can be able to note that. So watch full video, guys. Which of the following is true about single sign-on? So for first question, the first option, the same identity can be used to access multiple services. So option A is the probable solution for first question. So mark option A. Now let's move on to the second question, guys. Guys, for the past 5 years, we have been providing solutions for various NPTEL courses. So second one, so please subscribe our channel if you got benefited throughout videos, and if you're coming to our channel for the first time, and definitely share this video, guys, and definitely like the video. If you like the video, our videos will reach more number of students so that they will also get benefited. So definitely like the video, guys. So which of the following statements regarding solidity is true? So for second question, also option A is the probable solution, guys. Solidity compiler compiles a solidity program to bytecode which is executed by Ethereum virtual machine. So mark option A. Now let's move on to the third one. Third question. Guys, please watch the video till the end, because if I make any changes, you can be able to note that. So do watch full video without skipping. So third question. Which of the following statements related to Algorand is invalid? For third question, option D is the probable solution. A committed block is purged. So mark option D as the probable solution for third question. Now let's move on to the fourth one. Fourth question. Which of the following is true about selecting the random committee in the Algorand network? So for fourth question, option D is the probable solution, guys. The nodes can take part as committee members by winning a local competition. Next, fifth question. Which of the following comes with verifiable credentials as a native inbuilt feature? So for fifth question, option C, Hyperledger arrays, is the probable solution, guys. So mark option C as the probable solution for fifth question. Next, sixth one. So before getting into the sixth question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. So for the course blockchain and its application, we have prepared a huge number of 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So these are combination of past NPTEL assignment MCQs as well as our own handmade questions, completely prepared from 100% of NPTEL syllabus. So for one person, it is just 300 rupees only, guys. If you take it along with your friends or classmates, you can get a discount. So in bulk for a group, it will be just 500 rupees only. So 2 to 5 members can share that combined 500 rupees price. So individually, you can get it for less amount if you take it in a bulk. So please share this news with your friends and classmates, guys, and do let them know about this pack. So please share this news within your WhatsApp college unofficial groups. So huge number of 300, each one will get 300 MCQs, but the combined price is 500 rupees only for each group. If you are taking for one person alone, it will be 300 rupees. This is the mail ID, bk179417@gmail.com. So I will give the same email ID in the description box as well. The validity will be till the exam results day. And there is another pack, that is YouTube membership. You can join our channel as a member to get this pack, 89 per person, guys. It is only for 1 month and video format only, not any PDF. If you want this YouTube membership 100 plus MCQ sample membership, directly go to our YouTube channel page. So this is our YouTube channel page, S Kumar Edu. So beside the subscribe button, there is a join button, right? So click on this join button. Then a small window will open like this. Select the second one, videos only for members pack. That is 89 per month pack. and again click on this blue color join button and fill in the form and make payment directly to YouTube, not to us. That's it. You'll become a member of our channel and you can get access to all of our members only videos. Here you can see many members only videos we prepared, including blockchain part 1 and blockchain part 2 also we prepared. So you can get all these videos including blockchain and other videos as well. So you can get all these videos for the same 89 rupees, no extra charge needed. But my suggestion is, if you are preparing only for a blockchain point of view, it's better to take this huge number of 300 MCQs pack, because you can get practiced, you can get exposure to more number of MCQs and more concepts, right? So you can get better practice. So if you take this 300 MCQs pack, for one person it is 300, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees. So bk179417@gmail.com, mail me to this email ID if you're confirmed to make the purchase. So already many students, professors and associate professors have also taken our pack. So please share this news with your friends and classmates, guys. Now let's get back to the solution. So sixth question. So for sixth question, option D is the probable solution, guys. Saving DID metadata always in a centralized identity ledger. So mark option C. Option D. Next, seventh one. In verifiable credential VC scheme, what happens? So for seventh question, option C is the probable solution. The verifiable credentials can be verified by the verifier only. Guys, if there are any changes that you want to suggest us, you can please do that in the comment section. We will let you know about the final solution. These are completely our probable solutions, guys. So eighth one. Data transfer is an important aspect of interoperability in which of the following permission blockchains, right? So for eighth question, once again, option C is the probable solution, guys. Hyperledger Fabric. So mark option C as the probable solution for eighth question. Now let's move on to the ninth one. Which of the following is true for Hyperledger Indy and related DID? Please choose all possible correct answers. So for ninth question, all the remaining three options except option A are the probable solutions that we have got. So we're going for three options, B, C and D. Next, before getting into this 10th question, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So we are providing a huge number of 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. You can get search option to search. It is easy to revise and the validity will be till the exam results day. For one person it is 300 rupees. For 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees. So please share this with your friends and classmates. Please form a group and one person from the group mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. And you can choose YouTube membership pack as well by directly joining our channel as a member. So that's it, guys. Now let's see the last solution, right? So for 10th and final question, third option is the probable solution. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 9 assignment of the course blockchain and its application. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel, definitely like the video and please share this with your friends and classmates and don't forget to purchase this huge number of 300 MCQs pack. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye.